recommend use manual thing for the doors file because you don't want to strip off all the screws. So now once all the screws are out, we have to use the plastic pry tool so we can pop out the whole door panel. Always use a plastic one so you will not gonna scratch anything on the door. So shake it gently because this plastic, sometimes the plastic are brittle and it's gonna break your whole door panel. Now your door panel is out. Out. There. See it? There you go. Then you can just remove this and unplug all the plug-ins if you want to remove the whole door panel. And now we can remove the door handle using Torx 20 counterclockwise so you can loosen up the screw that's holding your door handle. So once this thing is popped out, remember guys, go on clockwise to tighten the screws again, go back to the original spot, then you can pull the door handle out. Once this thing out, you can remove the door handle seal on that side, and then once this thing out, you can unplug the plug-ins using your finger. Just push it and pull the whole thing, and there you go. That's how to remove your door handle.